accuracy should be your strategy, because see, only 5-6 questions will be your theta questions, which will be non-negative. Now say you attempt 22 questions or 23 questions, out of which you get 13 wrong and 10 right. So your 10 right are getting you a score of 30. But your 13 incorrect, out of which maybe 5 are theta and the rest are the normal, so minus 8. So instead of a score of 30 which you would have got in a 10 or 11 attempt, you are still getting a score of 30 minus 8. That makes it 22. Now a score of 30 was getting you an 85-90 percentile, which was clearing your cutoff. But a score of 22 leaves you on the borderline. So that's the problem. So if you are looking at a score of 40, use that as a baseline score that you are definitely getting. And then in the last 5-10 minutes, try to maximize from either one more comprehension if you are comfortable, or the theta questions, in which at least you will not lose any marks. 35 is also decent. You are close to 95 percentile. And if you can get it above 40, then that should be great. So just try to maintain that score. Okay.